Hi, we're on a curtain now, so Houseware upstairs. Thanks. I stopped by Ammar's just to check out their Houseware section. So I am heading upstairs to see what they have in store. So let's head on there and see what they have. Alright, so far they have some curtains here, 15% off. I don't know. Somehow this reminds me of the curtain. This feel like the curtain when we did have in my living room. They have 15% off sale. So you guys can come and check them out because they have sale. So where we should start, them have curtains over this side. And it looks like it's 15% off every curtain. So if you're decorating for the summer, you can come on and see if there's any color here for you. They have some cushions here, or chair seat rather. Cushion, yeah, chair seat. This is nice for the summer. Look at this color. This is summery. This is giving me the summer vibes. Yeah, so if you're looking, so it's one question, it's everything 15% off here. Alright, so everything is here for 15%, guys, so you can come on. Okay. And there are items here for 25% off as well, so you guys can come on and check them out. So all different color curtains. What are the starting price? Let me give you some prices here. Like this is $1,895. You get 25 off.
No, 15 of those. 25 of this.
Correction. See? 25. These with these nice embroideries, 25 off. These type are 15% off. The price is still not bad. Yeah, so you're getting 50% off. This still not bad. And them have your summer colors as well. You guys can come on and check out them. Are blackout curtains, 15% off. You know what my problem? When we decide to choose a color, it's hard to get that color. And when you don't want the color, you see all heap of it. Yeah, so come on and check out their curtain section. As I said, these cushions are lovely. Well, chair seat rather. Them nice and them well padded too. See them here? It look like this one have more stuff than the one in Half a Tree area. I never show you that one yet. I never give a vlog on that. This set is $995. Whoa, look at these bath mats. Whoa. $2,492, and them have them in different sizes, different colors. You guys can come and check that out. 25% off mats here as well. These bathroom rugs, 25% off, and the price is no man, this is another price. Oh, yeah, see the price here. This is a code number, the code. So this coral one is $3,195. How long this sale lasts? Alright, so the sale continues. If it's not this weekend, it's next weekend. So you guys can come over to Ammar's downtown. I'm not sure if the one in Constant Spring have sale as well. So you see, if Constant Spring is nearest to you, you can check them out. I'm at the one downtown. Oh, if you are new here again, I am Renee. I share all things home decor, DIY, room makeover. So if you love content like these, please remember to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Remember, I always say cushion is another way that you can use to enhance the look of your space, to add color. So it's a very affordable way, guys. 15% off these cushions, $2,195. They get 15% off. Not bad at all. They have comforter here as well. I'm seeing up to 50% off. Wow. Not bad at all. You know I'm cutting out the comforter because you know my space small, I have no storage. I can't afford the things I'm gonna put my outer door anymore. So if you are into comforter, you can check them out for the comforters. I'm looking for quilt. $8,500, 15% off. So you see, everything have a special price. So you must can come and get something. Wow, this dusty pink and green look good. Wow. Look at the colors. Nice summer colors going on here, guys. Come on and change the look of your living room or your bedroom for the summer. Come on. And if you're not into the color thing, you can come and get plain colors. They have flat sheet here as well. More bath mats. This is a set. No, this is a single piece. Oh, this one is $2,795. You get 15% off. And if you're a pink girl, they have this type as well. $695. If you're looking for rags and towels, yes, changing up some stuff in the bathroom. Them have different colors here. I am doing a kitchen makeover now, so I'm just looking all things kitchen. I started purchasing some stuff from Christmas because you know that video was to be done and we had some mishaps. So when you get that, when you watch that video, you will see why it was postponed and all. Lovely bathroom sets here. The thing is, some of the stuff them the prices at the back, so it's hard to get to the prices. So $2,300. Let me know if you ever shop at Ammar's. Them have bathroom liners as well here. Let me see what's the price range. This one is $1,300. It feels thick, but I like the fabric one, that the washable one. Yeah, I don't really like the plastic ones anymore like that. Them have this black and white one as well. This one not bad, $825. And them have these type, $1,695. So come on and check them out. These are some mats, bath mats. Let me see what price is on these. So $1,995. They have them in this color and white as well. These look like mattress covers and pillows. Oh, they have bamboo pillow here. What price is here for these bamboo pillow? No price at all. Them have king size, queen size, and double in these bamboo pillows. Them have them in cup set of 2 as well. Not seeing any price on these. If anything, I will ask. Let me see. If anything, I will ask for you. If you're looking for curtain rods, here are some. And remember, the higher you raise your curtain, the bigger the space will look. Try to put it a few inches above your window, not exactly 1 inch above the window. These are kitchen mats. Starting, them have $995, $1,300. $2,005. dish drainer. Wow, price alright, $650. Yes, $650 dish drainer. Alright, so the dish drainer is $650. They have placemats as well. The placemats are like this set of 4. is for 1,200. This here is for $1,750. It's a set as well. So them have a lot of nice little stuff you can come on and get. This set here as well is for $1,009. I think about one of these to do a DIY. $695. More comforters, more mats. So you guys can come on and check them out, and them have kitchen towels and so on here. $345, $595, $345. Them have tablecloth here, $950 up. You don't sell pots and utensils? No. Alright, so they don't sell, only houseware they sell. These are some throw blankets. These are some blankets. They have them for like $3,800. So ensure you come on over to Ammar's before the sale ends. I know they have one location in on Constant Spring Road. Which plaza again? Mall Plaza, I think. It's Mall Plaza, and the one downtown. Don't know if they have any other location. Okay. Sovereign? Any in like the Mandeville area or so? No. Only 3 locations. Okay, so they only have 3 locations. So if you're on the west coast or so, maybe you can drive come in Kingston and make it your chance to come and grab some stuff. So I'm heading out. Oh, they have sofa covers here. They have sofa covers as well. So this is a simple, affordable way to change the look of your sofa. You guys see me change the look of my sofa how many times? $6,795. So come to Ammar's and see if there's anything that you will grab. Okay, so I am heading out now. Come on and check out Ammar's, and not only their home section, they have sale on the clothes section as well, so they can come on and check out them clothes section. Let me turn the camera. See? Yeah, so them clothes, them have sale on the clothes section as well, as you can see behind me. But I have no time for showing up clothes and stuff. This is not my forte. The only thing I'm going to show you a price and all, but let me just show you a little around just in case you guys want to come and grab anything. You guys know I love the kids section. They have some slippers here, girl slippers, some frocks. So you guys can come on and grab. And downstairs they have 75% off some stuff here, like this wrap. They have 75% off. Let me see what is the original price for something like this. Alright, so like this shirt, 75% off. Not seeing a price. 50% off. Like this, 75. This was 1,350, and it's 75% off now. If it's something you would love. These, some little shirts and so. Wow, this is looking neaty. Yeah. 50% off. I'm dirty something about $100. Them just need to throw them away. Who buy them? Yeah. $300, 50% off. Boy pants, boy shirt. They say 15% off. And them have jeans section too. And them have khaki stuff, them have Jamaica Day shirts as well, them have boys brief or underpants, and them have boy shorts and boy pants as well, white shirt, So you can come on and check out Ammar's clothes section as well. So oops, I'm heading out of here now.
So what about you? Your favorite